Welcome. If you've ever used Chrome's Incognito mode on your phone, you might have noticed that by default, notifications from Incognito sessions are kept quiet. While that can be useful for privacy, there are times when you might prefer to be alerted right away. In this guide, I'll walk you step by step through the updated process of making sure your Incognito notifications get the attention they deserve. First, start on your phone's home screen and head straight into your main settings. This is where you manage all the important features and controls for your apps. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Apps and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your device. From this list, locate Chrome and select it to open Chrome's specific app settings. Inside the Chrome settings menu, look for the section marked Notifications. Tap on it, and you'll see a range of options that control how and when Chrome sends information to your device. From here, choose Notification Categories. This area breaks down Chrome's different types of alerts, so you can customize them individually instead of using one single setting for everything. Now, within Notification Categories, scroll until you find the option labeled Incognito. This is the key section specifically dedicated to private browsing notifications. Tap on it to open its settings. Once you're in the Incognito notification settings, you'll be given several choices for how alerts are handled. To make sure you always notice these updates, select Alert. This change allows your phone to actively notify you when something requires your attention while using Incognito mode. And that's it. By the time you finish these steps, your Chrome Incognito notifications will no longer stay hidden in the background. Instead, they'll sound or pop up just like any other alert you receive, making it easier to stay on top of what's happening while browsing privately.